You're probably used to arithmetic sequences that go up by the same amount each time, but there's loads of special sequences like Fibonacci, quadratic, triangular numbers that you need to know, and that's what we're going to go through today. Let's go through some key sequences you need to know. So first of all, we have an arithmetic sequence which goes up by the same amount each time, or it goes down by the same amount each time. So it would be +2 here, but it could be -5. Geometric is very similar, but this time it's times by the same amount each time, or divide. So here you can see that these numbers are multiplied by 2 each time. A quadratic is slightly harder to spot. So looking at these numbers here, if we look at the differences between each number, you can see that the first difference is +1, the second difference is +3, then the third difference is +5. Then if we look at the difference of the differences, you can see that they have the same difference of differences each time. So they're +2, so +1 to +3 is adding 2, +3 to +5 is adding 2, and that's how you spot a quadratic. A Fibonacci type, what you do with Fibonacci is you add the two previous terms together. So to get that 3, we added the 1 and the 2. To get that 5, we added the 2 and the 3. Triangular numbers are derived from this diagram here. So you have a little triangle made up of a dot, and then you make a bigger triangle by adding a dot at the top and a dot on the left. Then you make a triangle by adding a dot on the top, a dot on the left, and a dot in the middle, and you can see that you're just drawing triangles each time. So the triangular numbers are going to be 1, 3, 6, and 10. Notice that they're going up by 1 each time, so it's +2, then +3, then +4. Let's have a go at these questions. Looking at this sequence, it looks like we're multiplying by 10 each time. So the sequence is going to be geometric with a constant ratio of 10. Constant ratio is the amount we times by to get to the next number. To find the next term, we're going to times the 1000 by 10 to give us 10,000. Looking at this sequence, it looks like we've added the 2 and the 3 together to give the 5. We've added the 3 and the 5 together to give us the 8. So the sequence is a Fibonacci type. To find the next term, we're going to add the 5 and the 8 together to give us 13. Looking at the differences in this sequence, the first difference is 3, then 5, then 7. So the difference of the differences is 2 each time. Therefore, the sequence is going to be a quadratic sequence. To find the next term, we're going to add 2 to the 7 to give us our next difference, which will be 9. 17 plus 9 is 26. And let's finish with this. Carl states that an arithmetic sequence always has a rule of plus a number. Discuss whether this is correct. If you think you know an answer, let me know in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free GCSE papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.